Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Dehlia from Dehlia's Place. So today we're going to talk about shipping from the rest of the world to Jamaica, because if you do not know Jamaica, I live in Jamaica, and so I would like to talk to you guys about shipping from the US or China to Jamaica. Now I've done a video like this before. I've done one before. I'll leave the link in the description box. But I've been getting a few questions from people regarding shipping to Jamaica. But today I'm gonna clear up a few of the questions, because God, it's not that complicated, but you have a lot of people who are skeptical and they have doubts about shipping from another country to Jamaica. And one of their main concern really is customs. No, guys, customs is the devil. Customs is the devil. I don't know who come up with the rules for customs or who come up with the charges. I don't know. I really don't know. Me not know what to say, I swear. Me don't know what to say. Customs is like they purposely go out of their way to overcharge you. I give you a recent example. About 2 weeks ago, I got a package from abroad. It came from the United States. I worked it out. You know, you're budgeting. You have a 9 to 5, so you have to budget because you don't have money like that. So I budget out. I said, okay, the package weighs 10 pounds. So it got cost me about approximately $3,500 to $4,000 to clear said package, right? And probably another $1,500 or $2,000, you know, if that much, to get the package through customs, because it cost me less than $50 to buy the item. When I got my invoice, the item was approximately $45 to $46. When I got my invoice, it would have cost me almost $9,000, $8,000, almost $9,000 to clear the package. So you know, so me get livid. So I called my shipping company. I'm going to talk about them. They're my favorite. They always work with me. I've been shipping with them for a while and I haven't had any issues. So I called them and I said, yo. And they tell me about customs this and customs, and I say, boy dog, you know, so I can't really afford it. Anyway, them still take off something off it because I'm a regular customer. So them do something for me, right? But customs, they need to rethink this thing, because if you have a business, if you have a little business, or you buy little here if you make some money, or come clothes or some shoes to make little money, when custom done with you, nobody's going to buy anything from you, because you're going to have to sell them so very expensive. And I don't think it is fair. I really don't think that it's fair. Customs really need to rethink, because they are preventing the country from moving forward. Because if you have a business idea and you're gonna have to ship things from abroad to here, you're gonna bother because of customs. And me, I think, say, if you give the people the power to buy something, take it in, sell it and make money, then you increase the spending power of that person. So therefore it will help to build the economy. But apparently them not think like that. But show me an economy, so I'm gonna work up a parliament when we come off of it. Alright, so I'm gonna talk about my shipping company. Let's start with the shipping company. So you have to research, do your research. Don't take my word for it, because it is my experience and everybody's experiences are different. So my shipping company is called Deliver My Package. They are located in Jamaica, in Kingston, Jamaica. I live in Montego Bay, by the way. They are located in Kingston. So when I purchase something from abroad, whether it is in America or China, wherever it is being shipped from, I have a US address that was provided to me by Deliver My Package. When I place my order, I use that US address. It is convenient because there are some companies, there are some items that you may buy that offer free shipping only within the United States. And if you have a US address, then it makes it so that much easier for you. So when I purchase something, say I purchase something and it's coming from California. They send it to my Miami address. When it gets to the Miami address, the middle person there sends it off to Jamaica to deliver my package. Once it is received to deliver my package, then I get an invoice of how much it will take, how much it will cost to clear the item. Then, once I have made that payment, send them the information to show that I have made that payment, it is sent to me through Knutsford Express. It's sent to me through Knutsford, the bus company Knutsford, yeah. It's sent there. And it's usually about $600 to get it from Knutsford. So it's not really bad enough. So we say a customs do the killing. It's not nobody else, it's just customs. I could sit here all night and talk about customs. Them just really rub me the wrong way, I swear to you. Anyway, so when you're buying things from abroad, you have to be mindful of what you're buying and the cost of it. Now, if your item costs less than $50, customs will not charge you any duty on that. But you see, once you go over $50, them kill you. You get clothing, something, anything for $200, and you send it to Jamaica, and customs see the clothes and them know it value $200. They're gonna charge you about $200 to clear said item, so you're gonna pay double. Customs just wicked. But as long as your item is below $50, then you won't have to worry about customs. So it may be a good idea that when you're shopping, if you have a large order, try to break it up into $50 increments. That may help. It's just a suggestion, I don't know. I try to just buy things that cost less than $50. Alright. So let's talk a little bit about different companies, that be more specific, and talk about places that you ship from. Now, you can ship from America, which is pretty straightforward. You can ship from, say, Amazon. You can ship something from, say, Amazon. It's pretty self-explanatory, I think. You go to Amazon, you choose your item. If you're so inclined, you choose something that's below $50 if that is possible. You have your US address from whichever shipping company you would choose to go with here in Jamaica. You put that address in your name, your own name, with the address that you will be provided with the shipping company. As I told you, mine is Deliver My Package. That's the one I use solely right now, and I haven't had a problem with them. But if you have your own personal one that you would prefer, that's fine as well. You put in your name, the address of the shipping company, and you purchase your item and you have it sent to that address. That's fine. That's as simple as it gets. Alright. Aliexpress is pretty much like eBay or Amazon. It's just that they're located in China, right? So the things that you're ordering come from China. There are some things that they do have available in the USA, and it will say so on the website if it can be shipped from China or the United States. When you go onto AliExpress, you have to make sure that whatever you are purchasing is from a reputable dealer. So they have diamonds and crowns, I think, on there, and you just look for it. It's pretty much like stars. It's pretty much like stars. Like when you're buying an item, like even in your Play Store, and you know it has 4 stars or 3 stars or 1 star. It's basically the same thing. You look for reputable dealers. Once you have found what you're looking for and you have satisfied yourself that this person is not a scammer and you're going to get your thing, you have to make sure that if you're shipping from AliExpress, that whoever you're shipping from uses what is called e-packet. Because if you use China Mail or USPS or any of those other, it's gonna take months. It's gonna take a month, 2 months, 3 months. It's gonna take a mighty long time, and the chance of you not getting your item is higher. So you have to make sure that they use what is called e-packet, right? Sometimes e-packet is free shipping, sometimes it is not, but usually the shipping is not a lot of money because it's been sent to the United States. So it is not a lot of money to ship from China to the United States, because I think they have some agreement between the two countries. So when you're shipping from there, it's either they can either afford you free shipping or decreased cost for shipping. Okay, the same thing applies. You put in your name and your US address that you have, and they will send it to the address is in Miami, Florida. They send it to the address in Miami, Florida. Once it gets there, the freight forwarder send it to Jamaica, and the process applies. It is simple as that, right? Somebody asked me if somebody asked me if they could ship a phone and how much it would cost to ship a phone. To be honest, I would not ship a phone from the United States. I would purchase the phone, yes, but I would have somebody bring it to me, because you can't get around customs when you come on to certain things. Now if you're gonna buy an iPhone, customs know say one iPhone and how much in $1,000, they're gonna charge you the price of the iPhone. Even if you get the iPhone for $200 US, custom is going to charge you the how much in $1,000 for the iPhone. They care not. They don't care. Customs don't care. They don't care. I don't even want to start up on customs again, right? It is all about to ship from anywhere in the world, Jamaica. It is all about research. It is all about finding about the retailer or the seller, because you have scammers out there, right? So you have to know who you're shipping from. eBay is another place that personally, to be real with you, I don't really shop on eBay a lot, because for some reason, I just can't wrap my mind around eBay to trust eBay. eBay has a lot of reputable sellers and eBay's security is top notch and everything, but that's just me. When you're shipping from eBay now, you have to make sure that you have to look at where the item is coming from, because sometimes you make the mistake of thinking that the item is going to come from the United States when in fact it's coming from China. So when you think that your item gonna reach here in a week or two, it takes months. So you have to make sure that when you're purchasing, you look at your delivery date, where it is coming from. You have the opportunity also to message the seller as well. You have that option in Aliexpress as well. So shipping to Jamaica is not hard. It is not something that hard. It's not rocket science. It's not something that you have to get uptight and worry about. It's not hard. The only problem with shipping to Jamaica from anywhere in the world is the devil called customs. I really cannot tell you anything more about customs, excepting that you have to make sure that if you want to avoid exorbitant prices, just make sure that whatever you're shipping is less than $50. That's the only way to avoid exorbitant custom costs, right? Use a reputable shipping company. There are many in Jamaica. Just to name a few, you have Deliver My Package, you have Ship Me, and you have Mail Pack. I have used all of them before. You have SSMCs. I've used all of them before, but my favorite and the one that I have settled with is Deliver My Package. One, because of their rates. There are two main reasons why I stick with Deliver My Package. Their rates per pound. I like their rates per pound. I'm sure you'll be able to find it cheaper, but you know, and all the while cheapness is good. Just saying. So sometimes we get what we pay for. So their rates are not bad, for one, and two, their customer service. When you call their customer service now, they're always willing to help, and they call you by your name. I love that, and they're very knowledgeable. So that's why these are the two main reasons I ship with Deliver My Package. Alright, sorry guys, somebody knocked at my door. But as I was saying, I hope you are now more comfortable about shipping from other parts of the world to Jamaica. It is not rocket science. It's not that serious, guys. Trust me. I have shipped multiple items. I have shipped bitty items. I have shipped medium-sized items. I have shipped large items. And I have received all of my items. So, just try it. Just give it a try. Start with something small. So if you're going to ship from Aliexpress and you don't trust that you're going to get your item, buy something small. Buy something small and then you get it and you open your package. Because I love receiving packages like Christmas. I receive a package. So you get a package. From China, it usually takes about 20 days. You know that experiences vary and all, but I I have not yet bought anything online that I have not received. It all comes down to your research. It all comes down to who you're buying from. It all comes down to what you're buying. And sometimes when we want to purchase something, I recommend that you look around Jamaica first. Look around where you usually shop first. See the prices, the quality and all before you look online. Because sometimes when you purchase something locally, you do get it for a lesser price than if you purchase it online because of the devil, customs. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you do have any further questions regarding shipping from anywhere in the world to Jamaica, hit me up in the comments. I'll be more than happy to answer your questions. If you have any questions, if you have any suggestions for videos that you'd like me to put out regarding shipping or anything else, feel free to hit me up in the comments as well. This is where I'm going to end the video, and thank you so much for watching. If you have not yet subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and also click the notification button so you will be aware of when I put out videos. If you are a subscriber and you've been rocking with me since day one, thank you and I appreciate you. Until next time guys, bye.